What is inevitably unique about placing the axis of rotation in a particular location in our scene is now that object will scale, rotate, translate from that particular point. So we could actually use this particular move the center as a modeling function. Okay, so again, notice I don't have arrowheads unless I click off of the. Okay, so I'm going to select the move tool. Now I have arrowheads. Okay, so let's do an A on the keyboard. We'll do a frame all, so I'll see all of my parts. Then I can grab, for example, the arm, which I've already moved the axis appropriately off to the side there. And if I R for scale, right, I'll be able to change the size of my object so that it is the right thickness and length of an arm. The next thing we'll do is we'll duplicate our object, and that can be done either with the edit duplicate. Notice also it's the Control D or Apple Command D, and then I've got an object right on top of the other object. This one is named Arm 1. I'm going to rename this to Forearm. Return Enter. And then with the W key I can pull that out, and now I've got an arm. So go ahead and make a hand, make a thumb and fingers, and I'm going to show you how to do that in just a second. I'm going to build the hand out, excuse me, and get to the finger, and I'll show you a quick trick. Okay, so I built out the hand. Notice I renamed as I went. Index, Index 1, and Index 2. I can select these and W, move them to position. And then I can duplicate this whole group and make the rest of the hand. So now I've got my hand fingers all built. Sizing's a bit of an issue here. Let me just select them all and scale them in a little bit. And the next thing we'll do is we'll actually parent these parts together. So I'm going to select this finger element here, and then shift select what I want to have parented and hit the P key. And then I can select the object and then shift select and P. So select, shift select, P, select, shift select, P. Go ahead and finish the rest of the hand. I actually probably should have done that before with the first one, then I could have just duplicated each one of these groups. Now I'm going to make the thumb by duplicating this. So the duplication, and then I can move it up. Now what's unique about this is I can choose the rotate tool, and then it will rotate from the axis of this particular object. Again, notice how I'm using the arrow heads to move my object around. And with scale, I can now scale the whole group. I can keep it thick if I want, thick on the side, but make maybe this finger a little longer, and this one not so much, but a bit longer, to change those. With all of them selected, I can then parent to the hand, P, and then the hand I can parent to the forearm.